Hey everybody, this is Brad from Johnson Small Engines. We have a Sears Craftsman YS4500. It has a 42-inch deck on it. Just going to show you how I take the deck off. As far as tools you need, really, I use a pair of needle nose pliers. Preferably if you can put it on asphalt or concrete to slide the deck out and make it so much easier. First thing you want to do is take the mower deck all the way down, as low as it'll go. And then I'm going to start on the right side. And we're going to first take off some of these clips. Now, first clip is underneath the mower here. These are very nice clips. They actually hold on very well. And usually just pull them up, pop them forward here. Now, there's a washer here. Make sure you remember where everything goes. When you put these back on, you want to make sure that you face them towards the rear, because if you face them towards the front, they'll usually hold, but you always have a chance of something bumping it, and then it may pop out, which normally wouldn't happen. But if you just make a habit of going backwards with them, usually towards the rear tractor, they'll actually hold better. But these are really nice clips, and they should stay on anyway. So you take the washer off, take clip off. Sometimes you have to lift the mower deck up to get these off, but this one's pretty nice right here. This one just hangs off. You don't have to take this off. You can just hang it to the back. Then we have one underneath here. That's for your middle of the mower deck. This one here is a little tricky, and this is where sometimes I use a pair of pliers, but it's like it'll pop right off. Take the washer off, and you're gonna pull out the arm. All right, just like that. Going up to the front of the machine, we have the mower deck belt, which since I'm on this side, I'm gonna take it off around. It's a little bit of a U-hook right here. And on the inside of the U, it's open. Actually, the outside of the U on this one is open. You can just take the belt off and swing it off the front. Then we can go around to the front. All right, so you have a bar that comes off the front of the mower deck. All right, this bar that comes off the front also has a little clip like that, and it's just like the bigger clips. And if you just pry them up, it should pop off. Whoops, that one shot out, but it came off. Take the washer off, then you can pull this out. Now, I recommend, here's the pin. I recommend taking these rods, pushing them through the front of the machine, and actually taking them off. Because if you don't and you back up with them on and they hit the ground, they'll dig into the ground and they can bend. So take it off. Just remember which way it goes. And here's your washers. And moving back, we'll do the middle bar again for the deck right here. All right. Pull this pin, washer, pull this off, back here, pull pin, washer, this comes off. Now, this one has a cable, all right? These cables are a little tricky to get off sometimes, and this actually has a pin. This pin is actually upside down, as somebody did. It's going the wrong direction. However, that pin just holds the cable from going out. So what I normally do is, once I'm to this point, sometimes if you have enough cable, if you follow up this cable right here, this actually goes to the frame, and there's a little plastic clamp that you can open up. And it just clicks in like that. Push the top up right here, and that'll open it up. Then it gives you more cable. Remember to put it back up in there when you're done. So now we have a lot of cable. So now you can pull the deck out just enough to get that cable. And actually, I forgot one thing. Let's go back up to the belt up front here. You have to take the belt off the other side. All right, so there's a little U on this side. Take it off, now the belt's down. Now it's out of the way, you can pull the deck out. Pull the deck out just enough that we can see this clamp, which is here. And it looks like it's upside down, so we're gonna pull that out. All right, right there. And this should come out. And then you have to follow it down the spring. Now remember, everything goes under the belt, under this bar here. That's where the spring goes when you put it back on. And normally the opening on the spring is on the top. So if you do a 90-degree, push it out the bottom, it should come right off. See how that spring is? All right, so you want to put it back on, you're going to go 90-degree, put it back in there, and you're back in. All right, so we're going to take it off. Then I usually just take this up out of the way and hang it somewhere for now. And you should be able to pull this deck right out. So basically that's how you can take it off a mower deck without too much trouble. Pretty easy. Any questions, just let me know on my website, johnsonsmallengines.com. Thank you for watching.